everybody that comes into our home thinks that this is actual stone and that we had a contractor come in and put it up.
It was very easy to do. Highly recommend it. I think it looks really real.
I am pleased to do it yourself. It is so easy and it turns out wonderful.
I would highly recommend, if you have any corners, to go ahead and purchase the corners, because you can never miter them perfect. Recommend you look at gemstone before you look at anything else.
We would give GenStone definitely a 5 out of 5. Thank you, GenStone, for making my porch beautiful again.